one serious problem with email marketing that I've encountered at almost every business that I've done marketing for. Hi, welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're talking about how to warm your cold email list. Email marketing has been a core marketing practice for many years now. Many businesses rely on email marketing and building email lists because email is such a common way of communicating in the business world, and people are already very comfortable with email, where some people might not be as comfortable with like social media, SMS marketing, and other types of marketing strategies. Because email marketing is such a tried and true method, it's more important than ever that business owners continue to clean out email lists as they have emails go bad, emails start bouncing. You really want to make sure everyone in your email list is a potential customer or buyer if possible. I want to talk about today one serious problem with email marketing that I've encountered at almost every business that I've done marketing for. And that problem is letting your email list grow cold. By cold email list, I mean an email list that has not been cleaned out, meaning you haven't removed bad emails, emails that are bouncing, and it is an email list that hasn't been reached out to in a long time. Often I see these business owners who are creating an email list. They think more emails that they have, the better, and that they can just send out their sales pitch emails to this list whenever they want, and people will read those emails and decide to buy or not. No, that is not what is happening. Email lists go bad, so there are some things that you need to do in order to keep your email list fresh and useful so that when you do have a big announcement like a sale or a press release, your email will not fall on deaf ears. The first step you'll want to do is to remove all bounced emails. Bounced email is basically an email that is no longer active, the inbox is full, or for some other reason, you can no longer email this email address. You want to remove emails like this so that when you're looking at your email analytics, you can better understand how your emails are performing and you're not having to account for email addresses that are inactive and no longer able to engage with your email campaigns. The first email that you send to a cold email list is one that reintroduces your brand, your product, and your value offering. You'll also want to make the unsubscribe button really easy to find in these emails so that if someone is accidentally on your email list or is no longer interested in the value that you're offering, they can easily remove themselves. So after you have cleaned your email list and you have sent out that reintroduction email, you should see your email list decrease a little bit since people will be unsubscribing. And again, this is a good thing. And the next step is to keep them engaged. Now, a lot of businesses think, I don't want to spam my email list. I don't really have anything to tell them right now, so I'm not going to send them anything. And this is a really good sentiment. You definitely don't want to spam your email list because this will cause people to unsubscribe and will hurt your brand. But you want to make sure that your product or service is top of mind to your audience when they are ready to purchase a solution. People are on your email list because they're not ready to buy right now, but your offering seems like something they may want to buy in the future. Sending your audience a simple roundup of the top news in your industry every month will keep your audience warm. If you're interested in learning more about email marketing and how to warm cold email lists, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks, have a good day, bye.